What's up, guys? December 16th, around 10 o'clock. A couple days ago, me and my friend were like, the hills are not open, we can't go shred some POW, so why don't we tow each other behind cars? Now, for all the parents watching, we made sure to stay safe, stay in the back roads so there wasn't too many cars, and yeah, not go on big streets like Carling and that. So yeah, so don't worry, we are being safe. Okay guys, so we're on our way to the spot. Scoped it out yesterday. Just gonna go have to build a jump. You excited, bro? Okay, yeah, dope.
Walk, little walk, small talk, big thoughts. Gonna tell them all just what I want. That street, two streets, I see you and me hanging on the empty swings. Count high, low, don't worry, my eyes are closed. I'm the Superman and it's my show. One shoe, two, gonna kick with my new shoes. I'm gonna kick until I need new shoes.
At those hipsters, I wanna dance.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop giving me things. Stop, don't stop laughing about it. Stop, don't stop. I said don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop giving me things. Stop, don't stop laughing about it. Stop, don't stop. I said don't stop.
Here with Young NyQuil.
Gang gang.
What are you about to do?
Just some crazy shit.
It's fine, it's fine. Let's go, boys!
Crazy shit.
Don't stop talking to me. Stop.